What were the walls of the temples embellished with during the Vijayanagar period? A. Paintings. B. Carvings. C. Sculptures. D. Murals. The correct answer is A. Paintings. What title was used for the Commander-in-Chief? A. Kotravan. B. Kon. C. Iraivan. D. Thanai. The correct answer is D. Thanai. What was a typical Sumerian city surrounded by? A. Forests. B. Potters and artisans. C. Deserts. D. Mountains. The correct answer is B. Potters and artisans. Which of the following is a Harappan site located outside of current Indian borders mentioned in the text? A. Rakhi Garhi. B. Harappa. C. Kalibangan. D. Lothal. The correct answer is B. Harappa. Which organization did M.C. Raja help found? A. Madras Labour Union. B. Indian National Congress. C. Depressed Classes Federation. D. South Indian Liberal Federation. The correct answer is D. South Indian Liberal Federation. What did Tamilini collect after entering her house? A. A gift. B. A snack. C. A book. D. Her school bag. The correct answer is D. Her school bag. What is the primary function of the exercise section? A. To provide a list of historical figures. B. To introduce new historical concepts. C. For self-study and self-evaluation. D. To encourage group discussions. The correct answer is C. For self-study and self-evaluation. What did Tipu surrender to the Allies as part of the Treaty of Srirangapatnam? A. His entire army. B. Half of his kingdom. C. His capital city. D. All his forts. The correct answer is B. Half of his kingdom. When did the Dutch initially occupy Java and Sumatra? A. 1740. Born in 1940. Circa 1640. D. 1840. The correct answer is circa 1640. Which tool is mentioned as helping put more land under cultivation? A. Copper sickle. B. Iron plough. C. Bronze hoe. D. Stone axe. The correct answer is B. Iron plough. What type of monuments exemplify the Tamil Dravida tradition in the Pallav epoch? A. Brick and mortar structures. B. Rock-cut monuments. C. Wooden temples. D. Monolithic freestanding temples. The correct answer is B. Rock-cut monuments. What was the typical state of housing for the laboring class during the Industrial Revolution? A. Luxurious and well-maintained. B. Spacious and clean. C. Tiny, dirty, and sickly. D. Well-ventilated and healthy. The correct answer is C. Tiny, dirty, and sickly. Which institution held significant power, both spiritual and temporal, during the Middle Ages? A. The Aristotelian schools. B. The Roman Catholic Church. C. The Papal States. D. The Classical Academies. The correct answer is B. The Roman Catholic Church. What was the earlier status of Madras, Bombay, and Calcutta before British development? A. Major capital cities. B. Fortified military outposts. C. Fishing and weaving villages. D. Large industrial hubs. The correct answer is C. Fishing and weaving villages. Who was responsible for assisting the officer in assessing the value of crops? A. The military commander. B. The royal Gramani. C. The king. D. The Shadbhagin. The correct answer is B. The royal Gramani. What did Britain defeat France to take control of? A. North Carolina. B. Canada. C. South Carolina. D. Delaware. The correct answer is B. Canada. Which right for women did Periyar frequently emphasize in his journals? A. Right to work and earn. B. Right to education and travel. C. Right to divorce and property. D. Right to vote and hold office. The correct answer is C. Right to divorce and property. Which scholar suggested that the Indus inscriptions have a Dravidian-like word order? A. John Marshall. B. Iravatham Mahadevan. C. Mortimer Wheeler. D. Yuri Morozov. The correct answer is D. Yuri Morozov. Based on the timeline, which civilization ended first? A. Indus Valley. B. Egyptian. C. Chinese. D. Mesopotamia. The correct answer is D. Mesopotamia. What did the confederacy formed by Marudu Pandyan declare? A. A new law. B. A surrender. C. A truce. D. A proclamation. The correct answer is D. A proclamation. Who was rewarded with 7,000 pagodas for his role in suppressing the revolt? A. Major Coots. B. Colonel Gillespie. C. Adjutant General Agnew. D. Gunner William Bentinck. The correct answer is B. Colonel Gillespie. Trade, Ideology and Urbanization South India 300 BC to AD 1300 was written by whom? A. Satish Chandra. B. R. Champak Lakshmi. C. Y. Subbarailu. D. K. Nilakanda Sastri. The correct answer is B. R. Champak Lakshmi. Approximately when did the species Homo erectus ergaster emerge? A. Around 1.8 million years ago. B. Around 2.6 million years ago. C. Around 1 million years ago. D. Around 2 million years ago. The correct answer is D. Around 2 million years ago. Where is the Vishnu temple at Badami located? A. Pattadakal. B. Badami. C. Aihole. D. Lakkundi. The correct answer is B. Badami. Megalithic dolmens have been found in which district in Tamil Nadu? A. Coimbatore. B. Chennai. C. Kanchipuram. D. Trichy. The correct answer is C. Kanchipuram. When was a Society for the Study of Marxism formed in Peking University? A. 1908. Born in 1918. Circa 1911. D. 1866. The correct answer is born in 1918. Who discovered a faster and cheaper method of producing steel? A. Samuel Crompton. B. Richard Arkwright. C. Eli Whitney. D. Henry Bessemer. The correct answer is D. Henry Bessemer. In which century did Turkish Muslim rule in India become established? A. 12th century. B. 13th century. C. 10th century. D. 11th century. The correct answer is A. 12th century. What is the origin of Dravidian architecture? A. Indigenous origin. B. Roman inspiration. C. Greek design. D. Foreign influence. The correct answer is A. Indigenous origin. What is the main source for studying ancient Tamil society during the Sangam age? A. Religious scriptures. B. Sangam Tamil literature. C. Foreign travelers' accounts. D. Archaeological excavations. The correct answer is B. Sangam Tamil literature. How did you score?